Want to be is used with I, we, you, they, and when the noun is plural. Wants to be is used with he, she, it, and when the noun is singular. Examples: I want to be rich someday. I want to be tall. I want to be slim and tall. They want to be single forever. They want to be nice to strangers. We want to be kind to animals. We want to be fluent in Spanish. You want to be sure about going abroad. She wants to be graceful in dancing. She wants to be confident during the program. She wants to be stunning at the party. He wants to be skilled in fixing cars. He wants to be good at English. He wants to be giving to his family. Cheska wants to be fit, so she tries to go on a diet. Mr. Park wants to be alone for the weekend. Adrian wants to be free from his parents. Mrs. Smith's daughter wants to be married at 30. We use don't and doesn't to make negative sentences. Don't want to be is used with I, we, you, they, and when the noun is plural. Doesn't want to be is used with he, she, it, and when the noun is singular. Examples: I don't want to be ugly. I don't want to be depressed because of my situation. I don't want to tan, so I avoid the sun. They don't want to be single forever. They don't want to fail at math, so they got a tutor. We don't want to be fat. The children don't want to be jealous of their neighbor's new car. Sid and Marty don't want to be late for the party. She doesn't want to be clumsy, so she's taking it easy. She doesn't want to be grumpy at the party tomorrow, so she's sleeping in. She doesn't want to be confused about some lessons, so she's studying hard. He doesn't want to be arrogant in front of Jane. He doesn't want to be embarrassed by the guests, so he's taking it easy.